Ducommun Aerostructures, or DAS, is a manufacturer of large, complex structural components and assemblies in aluminum, specialty alloys, and composites for a wide variety of military and commercial aerospace applications, and has been manufacturing in Guaymas, Mexico since 2007. The company, now in the midst of long-term contracts to provide final assembly and painting of spoilers for Boeing next-generation 737s, as well as spoilers, aileron, and fuselage doors on Embraer Legacy 450 and 500 executive jets, is based at the Offshore Group's Roca Fuerte Industrial Park. DAS is a subsidiary of Ducommun Incorporated, which provides engineering and manufacturing services to the aerospace and defense industry. The company is a supplier of critical components and assemblies for commercial aircraft, military aircraft, and missile and space programs through DAS, Ducommun Technologies, or DTI, and Miltech. Work on the 737 project is split among DAS's Monrovia, Gardenia, and Orange, California facilities and its Mexico manufacturing location. Specifically, DAS is furnishing empennage vertical and horizontal fin tip assemblies for the Boeing 777, with the first set of tip assemblies to be delivered during the first quarter of 2011. Production of specialty alloys at the plant includes titanium and metal bond. DAS is the largest independent supplier of composite and metal bond structures and assemblies in the U.S., including aircraft wing spoilers, helicopter blades, flight control surfaces, and engine components. Markets served include commercial aircraft, regional and business jet aircraft, military aircraft, commercial and military helicopters, and space launch vehicles. Ducommun's parent, founded in 1849, is the oldest company in California. It has played a key part in the birth and maturity of the aerospace industry in Southern California by providing aircraft aluminum to companies such as Lockheed Martin. The company designs, engineers, and manufactures the largest and most complex contoured aerostructure components in the aerospace industry. Its integrated processes include stretch forming, thermal forming, chemical milling, precision fabrication, machining, finishing processes, and integration of components into subassemblies. In addition, DAS now offers unique processes for making net-molded composite parts without ovens or autoclaves, using a patented foam matrix core system, TM technology. Ducommun is a leading technology company with design, development, manufacturing, integration, and test capabilities in the areas of missiles, space, sensor, simulations, complex electronic mechanical assemblies, illuminated cockpit displays, RF systems, and space-qualified motion control devices. To learn more about Ducommun Aerostructures, please visit the company's website. Horst Engineering and Manufacturing Company, a Connecticut-based contract manufacturer of precision machine components and assemblies, has been manufacturing in Mexico since 2006. The company, founded in 1946, employs 40 at its Guaymas, Sonora operation. The facility, which produces close-tolerance, precision-machined aerospace and medical components, replaced a smaller facility in Nogales, Mexico. The company, now in its third generation of family ownership and management, has found greater labor stability, more companies in its cluster, and less turnover with the move to Guaymas, Mexico. Core processes performed here include Swiss screw machining, turning, milling, centerless grinding, assembly and supply chain logistics. Core products include fasteners, pins, valve bodies, bushings, pistons, sleeves, housings, and other custom components. Horst Engineering is known as a specialist for products under 12 inches or 300 millimeters in diameter. Horst Engineering parts are found on a wide range of the world's aircraft. The company has more than 4,000 active part numbers and manufactures products from an array of aerospace materials. Among them, stainless steel, aluminum, titanium, high-temperature plastics, and high-temperature alloys, such as Inconel, A286, Waspaloy, L605 Stellite, and MP35N. A sister company, Thread Rolling Incorporated, provides roll threading, centerless grinding, and roll knurling services. Employees in Guaymas operate multi-axis Swiss-type screw machines, high-precision CNC lathes, CNC milling machines, and coordinate measuring machines, or CMMs. They perform actual cuts, make adjustments, and examine parts for accuracy with statistical process control, or SPC. Horst Engineering, Horst Engineering de Mexico, and Thread Rolling Incorporated are AS9100 ISO 9001 2008 registered. The companies are known for their leading environmental practices, symbolized by the 39 kW solar photovoltaic electric power system located on the roof of the main Connecticut plant, and their affiliation with 1% for the Planet. To learn more about Horst Engineering and Manufacturing Company, please visit the company's website. CRS Aerospace serves Mexico aerospace manufacturing firms by providing anodizing, chem film cleansing, Passivit non-destructive testing, and key support services. It is the successor to the industry icon Chem Research Sonora and has been operating in Empalme, Sonora since 2003. The company's core competencies include anodizing Type 1, 2 and 2, chem film including ROSE compliance, Passivit, paint and NDT, masking and chemical washing. CRS Aerospace currently employs 16 and occupies 24,000 square feet. CRS Aerospace now has significant machining capabilities and will add additional metal fabrication CNC machines to meet growing customer demand. The company has arranged for all articles to first be programmed and run in an affiliated aerospace machining plant in Phoenix prior to their transfer to Mexico. Future Mexico plans include adding aerospace paint and welding lines. Tanks for anodizing and chem film are 60 by 30 by 28 inches and handle both low and high volume. Passivation process tanks are 24 by 18 by 20 inches. CRS Aerospace achieved Novacap certification in its areas of core competency. Novacap, short for National Aerospace and Defense Contractors Accreditation Program, is a program originally conceived by the Department of Defense to ensure consistent aerospace manufacturing process and quality. Accreditation is virtually required today by all OEMs and major suppliers. Chem Research Sonora was established in 2003 as an extension of the Phoenix-based firm, which had been working in the aerospace business for almost 50 years. Chem Research was purchased in October 2007 by CRS Aerospace, and new management with significant machining experience took over and is now developing relationships with Mexico-based aerospace companies. The company's primary objective is to become a premier offshore, low-cost and full-service supplier in the aerospace industry. Its management has significant experience in all phases of aerospace manufacturing, including fabrication, assembly, machining, and complex special processes. The firm offers full logistics and transportation services, including rapid shipments to the U.S. via the Shelter, ILS Offshore, and to destinations throughout Mexico. To learn more about CRS Aerospace, please visit the company's website. Novacap is a 25-year-old manufacturer of multi-layer ceramic capacitors, or MLC products, to the medical, aerospace, military, telecommunications, and oil exploration markets. It has been manufacturing in Guaymas, Mexico since 2005. The company occupies a 32,000 square foot facility and employs 200. Specialties include capacitor arrays, radio-leaded capacitors, pulsed power capacitors for detonation circuitry, oil exploration circuitry, photo flash, laser, power interruption and power storage modules, certified safety X2, Y3/Y2 and ring detect capacitors for telecom. The company offers high temperature tolerances, including X8R for harsh environments, such as oil exploration and automotive and avionics engine compartment circuitry. Product offerings include surface mount capacitors from the 0402 case size to larger high voltage units of up to 10 kV for commercial and high reliability applications. Novacap, which is ISO 9001-2000 certified, specializes in application-specific multi-layer ceramic capacitors and capacitor assemblies. It is dedicated to satisfying customers' capacitor needs by offering the most responsive customer service and extensive test facilities that enable it to maintain the highest quality. Novacap is one of 7 members of Dovercore Ceramics and Microwave Products, or CMP, of Ventura, California. CMP designs, manufactures, and sells special electronic components and systems, including high-performance filters, switches, capacitors, and EMI co-site signal interference solutions. Its products are used in military and space, telecom infrastructure, medical and industrial applications, where function and reliability are crucial. The other 6 include members of CMP, including Dow Key Microwave Inc., K&L Microwave Inc., Pole Zero Inc., Dielectric Laboratories Inc., Cipher Technology Limited, and Voltronics Corp. More company information can be found at www.novacap.com and also at www.dovercmp.com. Paradigm Precision, headquartered in Tempe, Arizona, is a leading manufacturer of complex machine components for the aerospace, land-based power generation, and marine markets. It was founded in 2007 and has sister plants in Arizona, Massachusetts, Connecticut, and Tunisia. The Guaymas, Sonora, Mexico manufacturing location consists of 70 employees and manufacturing space totaling 35,000 square feet and offers customers a low-cost option for the machining of high-precision aircraft engine and turbine components with diameters that range from 2 inches to 80 inches. From large components and assemblies to small parts and investment castings, Paradigm Precision has the expertise to process parts across a broad spectrum of complexity and materials. The firm's ability to move parts from one company location to another drives its business model. Paradigm has a variety of machine tools with capabilities in horizontal and vertical turning, 3-, 4-, and 5-axis milling, drilling, EDM, and deburring. High-level accuracy, programmable CMMs are used for shop support and to provide customers with confidence in part manufacturing processes. The company continuously invests in machine tools, inspection equipment, and modern technologies to create competitive, high-quality, low-cost options for customers. Paradigm Precision has implemented a continuous improvement program designed to create a culture of constant value add for customers. Paradigm continually improves its employee aerospace skill base through training programs in machining, inspection, and engineering processing. The Guaymas facility participates in the gamut of engineering and quality best practices. It has a fully integrated enterprise planning system utilized for capacity, manpower, and material planning. Paradigm has increased market share in new engine platforms that it expects will fuel its growth for years to come. The company also has invested in more engineering resources and several new capital acquisitions that support its growth plans. Paradigm Precision holds AS9100 Revision B and ISO 9001 certifications. It is Novacap certified in fluorescent penetrant inspection, chemical processing, and EDM machining. The company's culture is focused on customer requirements and the principles of Lean and Six Sigma operations. To learn more about Paradigm Precision, please visit the company's website. Cooper Standard, a leading global automotive supplier based in Novi, Michigan, has 70 plants and 16,000 employees worldwide. It has been operating in Guaymas since 1993. The company's Fluid Systems division runs 2 shifts and occupies 50,000 feet of manufacturing space. It is a premier provider of solutions in fuel, brake, vacuum, air lines, water lines, drain lines, and quick connector segments of the automotive industry. The plant prepares quick connectors, still in plastic, used on water lines, liquid fuel, and fuel steam. It also makes air suspension lines used in a vehicle's air leveling system. Water lines are made for use in windshield cleaning systems, and windshield cleaning nozzles are made for frontal glass. Simple brake lines are prepared for fuel and brake systems. Brake lines packages, simple and multiple fuel lines, and vacuum harnesses for a vehicle's air conditioning system also come from the plant. Clients include Ford, Nissan, Daimler Chrysler, ACH Milan, Caltex, Vitec, HBPO, and Takiko. The company has 2 ovens for molding plastic tubes, with capacity each of 2,800 pieces per hour, and 2 manual batch ovens. It also has a cutting process area for plastic tubes, with a capacity of 42 meters per hour, and another cutting area for vinyl tubes. The company is certified on TS 16949, version 2009, and ISO 14001, and also has Ford Q1 certification. It works with the philosophies and applied techniques of Six Sigma methodology, lean manufacturing, continuous improvement system, teamwork, 5S, and visual factory. In 18 years, Cooper Standard has grown from 37 workers whose output produced $250,000 a year to a 450-employee company with global sales of $70 million. To learn more about Cooper Standard, visit the company's website. The Intech Group Incorporated, based in Palatine, Illinois, was established in 1953 and is a leader in designing and manufacturing precision insert molded and injection molded thermoplastic parts. It has been in Guaymas and Empalme, Sonora, and manufacturing in Mexico since 2003. The facility's 70,000 plus square feet are devoted exclusively to supplying the automotive industry. Intech focuses on specialized insert molding of components for door latches, fuel pump systems, sensors, as well as on bringing product knowledge to its customers. It controls 15% of the latch market worldwide, and most of its production for vehicles is under the hood or out of sight. The firm provides value-added content with its switching and electronic assembly technology skills. Intech started its Guaymas, Sonora manufacturing operation with 20 workers in a 3,000 square meter plant that used 9 presses to insert mold automotive components. Today, the Intech site in Offshore Group's Roca Fuerte Industrial Park employs 525, occupies 7,000 square meters, and operates 61 presses, mostly Nissi brand, with 30 to 450 tons of clamping force. Intech customers include Tier 1 operations of automotive suppliers, Delphi Corporation, Magna International Incorporated, Sensata Technologies BV, Kykert AG, Continental Tevez AG and Company OHG, Bosch Rexroth AG, Vallejo SA, and Arvin Meritor Incorporated. Intech prides itself on the independence and autonomy of its Guaymas, Mexico plant. Staff designs and builds molds and assembly equipment from scratch. Entire systems are built, designed, and maintained by locals using state-of-the-art infrastructure. The company's on-the-job training is without rival. Intech combines technology and automation with human skill and oversight, creating processes that encourage contributions, evaluations, and then incorporating changes them into proven techniques into the standard flow. A company tenet states that when our expertise is focused early in the design phase of custom insert molded components and assemblies, the final design is more efficient, costs are reduced, and the total system, including the customers, is more robust. Intech Mexico staff employs the 55 approach to managing a manufacturing floor, addressing how items are stored and how new order is maintained. Decision-making usually comes from a dialogue about standardization, which builds a clear understanding among employees of how work should be performed. A local staff of skilled engineers, designers, programmers, maintenance, and electrical staff manage a supply base of raw materials and components from the same regions. This requires great knowledge of logistics, international duties, taxes, and tariffs, as well as the ability to interact with people from the same regions. Intech is a just-in-time shipper. To learn more about the Intech Group, please visit the company's website. The Phoenix Company of Chicago, headquartered in Wooddale, Illinois, is a global supplier of RF microwave connector and cable assembly products, serving the aerospace, medical, military, and telecommunications markets. It was founded in 1969 and is made up of 5 component and contract manufacturing companies in 3 key locations: China, the United States, and Mexico. Phoenix of Mexico began manufacturing in Mexico in 2001 as the company's first international branch. Its core strengths are blind make connectors and contacts, micro-miniature coax connectors, RF microwave cable assemblies for telecommunications and medical applications, integrated products, filter products, molded cable assemblies, delay lines, and electromechanical assemblies. The company today offers products from coax connectors and delay lines to surface mount assemblies. The Guaymas, Sonora manufacturing facility, with state-of-the-art infrastructure and comprehensive engineering capabilities such as Six Sigma methodology and lean manufacturing, offers everything from low-volume, high-mix to high-volume production. An on-site local team assures that this model enhances factory-level knowledge and teamwork and provides a rapid response to customers. It also provides quick-turn NPI support with complete first article test reporting to streamline customer qualification. On large-scale projects, Phoenix personnel visit customer sites to accurately identify a program scope and deliver a project proposal covering key parameters and timeframes, including cost reduction opportunities. The company draws on its own affiliates' know-how, such as global sourcing, to deliver local manufacturing with global material costing. Staff manages business processes from quotation to shipment, while global sales staff provides local technical support to customers in all locations. Phoenix of Chicago manufactures assemblies using standard flexible, semi-flexible, and semi-rigid cables, as well as high-performance cables and connectors. Manufacturing and test capabilities extend to 40 gigahertz. Semi-automated manufacturing equipment is used to process cable, and CNC bending is used to manufacture semi-rigid cables. In addition to standard cables and connectors, the company has design and application specialists who assist clients with connector and cable selection. For cables requiring exacting return loss or higher frequency performance, design engineers offer enhancements on standard connector designs to meet demanding requirements. Phase-matched cable assemblies can be manufactured from a variety of cable and connector choices. Phoenix offers a wide range of applications and markets involving voice, data, and location needs for different antennas used on military applications. It offers extensive electrical and mechanical connector design experience to provide a complete solution for integrating antenna elements into connector packages. For electromechanical assembly, Phoenix of Chicago offers an exceptionally skilled labor force. A seasoned management team is available to outsource programs from concept to production. Among the services offered are program coordination and management, module, cage or subframe assembly, electrical and mechanical design services, automated electrical and RF microwave test, manufacturability review, environmental testing and wiring, cabling and connector termination. Phoenix of Mexico boasts the gamut of quality certifications on ISO 9001-2008 and AS9100-2003, as well as UL-recognized wires, harnesses, and D-sub-miniature connectors. Workmanship is based on international standards such as IPC WHMA A620, IPC 610, and IPC JSTD 001. And workers are trained and certified by internal IPC certified instructors. To learn more about Phoenix of Chicago, please visit the company's website.
Welcome to C&M Corporation Mexico facility. Our manufacturing plant is located in Empalme, on the frontier state of Sonora, at the Bellavista Industrial Park. It is strategically located, having access to the main highway of the state, and being less than 250 miles from its main entrance point in the U.S., Nogales, Arizona. It features 18,650 square feet, including a warehouse and shipping receiving dock area, where we have the ability to ship whenever our customer requires. Our production floor is on constant improvement. New technologies are added to make our work efficient. It also features several lean cells, which today cover more than 65% of the total production output on the plant. Each one of them has a highly motivated, high-performance team with knowledge of lean principles as 5S and 1-piece flow, guided by a support team that trains, helps, and makes things happen. This allows for seamless, low-volume, high-mix manufacturing. In these lean cells, you will see our attention to detail and our obsession with continuous improvement. We also feature a segregation room, ideal for the manufacturing of products oriented to the medical industry or that require special conditions for its handling. Our molding area is top-notch, aided by C&M tooling design capabilities. We deliver the best molded solutions for your assemblies. And giving you even more options for cable customization, we have coil core capabilities. C&M Mexico has an incoming inspection process that utilizes full electrical and mechanical first article inspection. For incoming inspection of material already having passed a first article inspection, a C=0 AQL sampling plan is used. Only material that conforms to documented inspection plans are released to stock. Custom visual aids made for each part number indicate all product requirements, driving the operators step by step through the process. Visual aids are specially designed to satisfy the team needs, emphasizing critical to quality aspects of the process. In-process checks are performed in accordance with the product requirements to drive the product to the highest quality levels. A strategic relationship with the main calibration laboratory in the area has been established in order to verify the equipment prior to its use. Custom engineered full-scale templates are used for each product, as in-process and final inspection gauges to ensure product requirements on a 100% inspection plan. Out-of-the-box audits are performed on all finished goods prior to shipment using inspection gauges and tools to verify product conformance. C&M Corporation, obsessed with cable solutions.
EE Technologies Incorporated, based in Reno, Nevada, is a premier electronics manufacturing service company, providing circuit board assemblies for the automotive, medical, RF wireless, gaming, military, scientific, educational, industrial, aviation, and digital audio-video markets. The company was founded in 2000 and has been operating in Empalme since 2005. Production started with 25 employees on a single shift and is now in excess of 6 times that number of individuals working in 2 groups. EE Technologies recently added a 6th assembly line and increased its capacity by 66%, a move that gives it new autonomy and flexibility in handling orders. An additional 22,000 square feet permits lean manufacturing processes, streamlined packaging and materials management, as well as future projects. The company provides engineering, customer and product support, quality and process control and manufacturing services. Its capabilities include SMT, screen printing, inspection, testing and conformal coating, as well as through-hole and mechanical assembly services. Company executives estimate that more than $5 million has been invested in infrastructure at the facility. SMT services offered by EE Technologies include Phillips Assembly on Line specializing in odd shapes and prototypes, and 6 Phillips Assembly on SMT lines specializing in general production. Screen printing by EE includes DEK Horizon and ELA solder paste printers and a Syntec Millennium adhesive chip bonding application. EE ovens and coating machines include 3 Vitronic Soltex XMP29 series reflow ovens, 3 Vitronic Soltec XPM 8 Series reflow ovens, Speedline Omniflow 10 with onboard refrigerated chiller and conformal coating with ultraviolet. EE Technologies inspection and test services include 3 YesTech automated optical inspection or AOI machines, Teradyne in-circuit test, 2 CR Technologies X-ray machines for BGA and other inspection, AirVac premium rework system, Teradyne in-circuit test, SPEA flying probe tester and functional test capability. Through-hole services include component prepping and stuffing, URSA wave solder, URSA selective solder machine, and 4 Vitronic Soltec wave soldering machines. EE Technologies was recently recognized as one of the top 20 contract manufacturers in the western United States. The company is ISO TS 16949 2009 certified at its U.S. and Mexico facilities. To learn more about EE Technologies Incorporated, please visit the company's website.